The infrared window is also called the infrared temperature measurement window. It is an optical window that can transmit ultraviolet, visible, and infrared light. Install infrared windows on various high-voltage switch cabinets, on the housings of electrical cabinets such as urban ring, network cabinets, and motor junction boxes. Using an infrared thermometer or thermal imaging camera, it can conveniently carry out various non-destructive tests on the internal equipment of the printing machine cabinet. Meet the needs of most electrical equipment under uninterrupted power conditions. Requirements for continuous infrared, non-destructive testing, the infrared temperature measurement. Window is usually made of a metal flange or ring. The protection cover consists of 4 parts: the protective cover and optical glass. Among them, optical glass is the core component of the infrared temperature measurement window. It determines the light transmission, performance, and durability of the window.